Option 2. Save a library part. To avoid confusion, either use a different file name or delete the files that you created in the previous steps. This is the method I will be using to create a library part. This option maintains the relationship to the original connector, but it requires discipline and knowledge to use correctly. When I want to create a new roller coaster segment, I will open the library part, save a copy, close the library part, and open the copy. If I make changes to the master part, it will affect the next part I try to make from it. The only way to lock this down is to set the folder property read-only or use Enterprise PDM. To create the library part, I will use the feature Save Bodies. Before inserting this feature, I will rename the bodies the same way I rename files in Windows. Expand the bodies folder, click the body, press F2 or wait a moment and click the current name. I will name the bodies Connector Male and Connector Female respectively. Next, use the command search and type save. Select Save Bodies. Check off both bodies and click OK. This will create the part files. At this step, I had an error and had to save my part with a different name, then save it again and replace my connectors.sldprt. Save Bodies worked after that. Before closing the new parts, reorder the Save Bodies before the Move Copy Bodies feature so that the origin is in a more appropriate location in the output. Then rebuild, save, and close all files. Create a new part. Make sure the units are in inches, then click Insert Part. Insert the female connector first. On the Property Manager page, you can bring in reference geometry as necessary. The planes may be useful, but they are not required yet. The female connector will not need to be moved, so clear the Locate Part checkbox. Repeat the process for the male connector, but this time Locate Part will be required. Set the Z offset to 5 inches. Save this part as a new library file. In this case, I am going to save it in the same folder as the template created earlier, but not use the same name as the original master connector part. Next, add a design library for quick access to this file. To do this, click the Design Library tab, Add Library, browse to the Save folder, click OK, then select Templates in the Design Library.